Where craftsmanship meets innovation, Pagani Design emerges as a beacon of excellence, offering the confluence of luxury and functionality in their latest masterpiece, the Pagani Design Men's Mechanical Watch. As the dawn of 2024 unfolds, Aliexpress unveils this horological marvel, promising aficionados an experience that transcends mere timekeeping. The Pagani Design watch exudes opulence from every angle. Its super luminous dial casts a radiant glow, complemented by a seawater-resistant stainless steel case and band. The rotating ceramic bezel, marked with precision for 60 minutes, beckons adventure seekers and style enthusiasts alike. The Pagani Design watch is more than just an accessory, it's a companion for exploration. With a water-resistant capability of up to 100 meters 10 bar, this timepiece is not just a statement of style, but a testament to endurance. Whether swimming or diving, its sealed case and screwed-on crown ensure uncompromised performance, beckoning the wearer to embrace the depths with confidence. Durability is not just a feature, it's a promise etched in every facet of the Pagani Design watch. The synthetic domed sapphire crystal mirror, rivaling the hardness of diamonds, ensures unparalleled resilience against scratches and breakage. Paired with the original stainless steel solid band, meticulously crafted using the wire drawing process, this timepiece transcends the realms of mere accessory, becoming a timeless companion for the discerning individual. The Pagani Design Men's Mechanical Watch stands as a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to excellence, blending luxury with functionality in perfect harmony.